This is the elevator outside Dillard's at International Plaza and Bay Street in Tampa, Florida. Let's go to UL. It's got a sick bell. Let's go to LL. 4,000 pound capacity. Pretty shiny cab. There's your certificate. It says East Passenger Elevator. Again, Dillard's is right here. So there it goes. And that'll be it.